kids! Welcome to KidsRhymeWorld!
Hey there, friends, come sing with me. It's time to rhyme the ABC. A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for bed, where I rest my head. C is for car rooming so fast. E is for duck, quacking as it passed. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, who jumps all day. G is for goat, munching on hay. H is for hat, I wear when I play. All singers, A, B, C, come sing with me. Letters and rhymes as fun as can be. From A to Z, let's take a look, like a song and a storybook. I is for ice, so chilly and cold. J is for jelly, purple and bold. K is for kangaroo, hopping away. L is for lamp that lights up the way. M is for moon glowing so high. N is for nest where baby birds lie. O is for octopus with 8 little feet. P is for pizza, a super fun treat. All singers, A, B, C, come sing with me. Rhyming the alphabet, 1, 2, 3. Dancing and learning, it's such a blast. These ABC rhymes will always last. Q is for queen with a sparkly crown. R is for robot, spinning around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, zooming out of sight. U is for umbrella, in the rain we play. V is for violin, we play all day. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for X-ray, what bones you can see. All singers, A, B, C, come sing with me. Letters and rhymes as fun as can be. From A to Z, let's take a look, like a song and a storybook. A, B, C, now we know. Rhyming letters from head to toe. Learning is fun when we sing and play. Let's rhyme again another day.
Did you have fun? Then give us a big thumbs up, like this big. And don't keep all the giggles to yourself. Share with your friends so they can rhyme too. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.